How to get mold out of car carpets. Mold can be a common problem in car carpets, especially in humid environments. Here are some steps you can take to remove mold from your car carpets. Vacuum the area. Start by vacuuming the affected area thoroughly to remove any loose mold spores and debris. Apply a mold cleaner. You can find commercial mold cleaners at most hardware or auto supply stores. Apply the cleaner to the affected area according to the manufacturer's instructions, and let it sit for the recommended amount of time. Scrub the area. After the cleaner has had time to work, scrub the area with a stiff bristled brush. Be sure to use a brush that is appropriate for your carpet type, and work the cleaner into the fibers of the carpet. Rinse the area. Once you have finished scrubbing, rinse the area thoroughly with water and a clean cloth. Be sure to remove all of the cleaner and any remaining mold spores. Dry the carpet. Finally, dry the carpet completely. Use a fan or open the car windows to promote airflow, and avoid using the car until the carpet is completely dry. Mold growth in your car should be handled as soon as possible since, if left unattended, it may result in health issues and interior damage. In order to stop further growth, you might also want to think about fixing the underlying issue that is causing the mold to grow, such as high humidity levels or water damage. Can you get mold out of your car using a steam cleaner? Mold is a serious issue since removing it takes a lot of work. But did you know that steam cleaning makes the process of removing mold much simpler? It occurs due to the steam machine's high-level heat production, which aids in mold removal. At a temperature of between 150 and 364 degrees Fahrenheit, mold often perishes. Mold spores can be removed from a surface using steam cleaning, but steam shouldn't be used on non-porous surfaces since it can absorb the properties of porous materials. However, there is one thing you should know: mold spores are mysteriously always present. It can re-emerge on the surface even after a steam cleaning of the interior car detailing. Because mold needs oxygen, a source of nutrients, and moisture to develop, if you keep your automobile in a closed, damp space for an extended period, mold will continue to grow every day and eventually blanket the inside surface of your car. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.